So big.
His favorite toy ran out of battery.
Rip it.
What you got there, buddy?
I'll eat it.
What you got?
I already taken that.
What did he get?
What is it? Paper game. What is it? It's hard to rip. The paper's thick.
It is thick. You're doing a good job.
Here.
Hold the paper.
Let go here. Let go, strong boys. Grab this one. Here you go. Oh.
Good job.
I know what this is. It's so cute. I saw it.
Cradle champion.
Cute. That is adorable. And a hat too. What did you say? I got it 6 months because you said he was small.
That was perfect.
Okay.
Thank
you so much. That is adorable. Yay!
Thanks, guys.
That's really cute.
That is real cute.
Can I have the paper just?
Huh?
Can I see it? Can you just play with the paper?
Happy time!
Oh, got a strong grip there.
Yeah.
Oh, big
Are you getting two first? Pretty